Yeah, so actually we are right now going to the church. We were invited with one of our friends who is actually going to meet us. It's our new friend. It's not the obvious one that you always see on the video. So yeah, I actually came early. Like right now it's almost 30 minutes before, okay, couple 5 minutes I think. 5 minutes before church opens. Let me check. Yeah, it's like 5 minutes before the church starts, but they say they're gonna arrive at 10, so probably I think I'll be there early. And I took the bus, came a little bit early. I've gone once to the church, which was okay. I didn't record because I wasn't sure, and it was a Swahili church. For my culture, they don't really allow us to like shoot film inside the church, so I just had to keep it beside. But in this church, it's more English. In the previous church I went to, that was in Thailand, they would like film inside, so I'm not sure if they're gonna allow that. But I hope so. So yeah, I'll show you around in case it's okay. But if it's not, then I guess I'll have to like just skip it. But I hope they'll allow, because I've seen on the internet that people shoot inside. So that's it, guys, and let's wait. We meet our friends. Oh, they're gonna be late. Came a little bit early than them. It's cold. Oh. Hi.
My roommate. Nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you. It's cold, guys.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
You working here?
Working? No, I was there
Oh.
watching. You know, there's a place where there's a Christmas video inside there. You have seen it? The Christmas video?
I never visited.
Oh, okay.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Is it okay if I take a photo of you?
Thank you. Okay.
Good. Okay. Yeah. If you come, are you by yourself?
Yeah, I'm on my own.
Okay. If you come here.
Okay.
Yeah. If you stand. Yeah.
Der var også nogen, jeg ved, skål, der var nogen.
Just wait for this people behind you to pass.
Okay.
Thank you, buddy.
Sorry.
Good morning.
Morning. Oh.
Right.
Morning.
Right. Or
Oh yeah, it's cold. Sorry.
so you have come on.
Oh, sorry.
Hours later.
So I just came from the church, and actually, I'm not sure if you can hear me, but I hope yes, and I hope it's not noisy because it's kind of outside. So yeah, the church is actually good. We only took like 1 hour, I think, and like they preached and gave some testimonies, and now I'll be heading back. It's a Sunday done, and I have nothing else to say, but I'm gonna pass by through a certain what is it called? It's the park. I'm gonna pass by and check it out. So it was kind of interesting to just see how beautiful it is, and just taking some few photos, like some good photos for the day. So then I think we're gonna meet next week. This week we had what is it? We had an online class for the work that we were supposed to do, and I promised for the video it's gonna come out separately for what exactly the work is about. Yeah, so that's it, and I think I'm gonna be giving you more as we go. Let's go into the park and see what. So this is the park. It's just a simple one, nothing much, nothing crazy, just something simple. There's people walking around. Yeah. And some people just refreshing here with the kids. Isn't much, but it's just a resting park. So it always surprised me on different ways people pray. For example, when I was in Thailand, people used to have a different kind of a mass. I'm not sure if I did post that video, but I think I did. But it's kind of different. Oh, this food is broken. So it was kind of different from us compared to like here. So I think in every place, though the same idea is the same idea that they praise the Lord, but there is always a different way of conducting a mass. In my country, we would have like 2 hours and a half a mass. That's Tanzania. In Thailand, we had like, I don't know, 2 hours. Here it's like 1 hour. Oh, there's a shortcut here, I think. Let's take this shortcut. So I think that's it. Like, different people have different kind of ways of having a mass. Is it a concern? I don't think so. It's just a different way of culture. And I wanted to point that out. So don't be surprised. And I'm not surprised either. So see you around, guys.
I didn't know. I know it was the Wii. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I had even to speak. I am so happy. Let's continue unboxing. So I'm actually done. And I'm super excited. I really can't wait to try this. And I am happy. I'm gonna post the short phones. This thing is so nice. And I'm not sure. I'm not like a review person, though I kind of feel like I should just say about it. But I will probably share some shots on it. Yep. a simple comparison with my previous board. Here it is. It's H, I think H something. H1161. Yeah, this is the H1161. Yeah, so the H1161, this is the new board. This is actually drawing, you can draw on it, and the pictures, but you can see the difference. Yeah, so the 16 inch is quite big, and it's better that I chose the 16 inch. I also got this, I think I've seen that for my, yeah. So I think it's quite good, and trying to like walk around it. I haven't done the setup yet, and we also have this keyboard there which I've set up for the shortcuts. I'm just gonna open one of my favorite application, that is my what is that? Not render, like I mean like what is that? Yeah, Adobe Animate. That's like my favorite, the one that I actually use for this. I know people don't see my art. I rarely post my art, but I will be posting though. Like, we can just do this for nothing. I'll start posting my art, and yeah, make sure to check me on Instagram. Most of the times I post my art in Instagram, so check Instagram and you see some art which I actually use. There's something here. Skip. Yeah. I hope it doesn't come up on this side. Where is it? Where are you, Adobe Animate? So finally I'm able to turn it on, set it up. So I mostly have this as my shortcut keys, as you can see. So now we have a bunch of shortcut keys. Like, it's very nice knowing that we have a bunch. So I don't have to like shift and change or do something there, but it actually also does the same. Okay. Yeah, okay, so like though they are customizable, so it's my fault to it's my choice to do whatsoever I want. I feel like kinda this is nice, and let's choose the brush tool. I don't know, like let's get a house or something. I want it to increase, so I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, I think this is fine. I'm gonna get a eraser tool. Okay, here's a tool, and I need it to be huge, so I'm gonna get it huge. Okay, huge. Get more huge. As you can see, I'm doing this, but then here it increases. Like, yeah, it's very nice. It's super nice. I'm actually not using this this hand for both. Most of the times I'll use this hand for here, and then I'll continue drawing here. Okay, it's still huge, which you don't want to need the eraser tool. Okay, they synchronize within brushing, and then I'm gonna have to like lower it down till an 8. I think most of the time I get to an 8 or something, or a 9. Yeah, this is kind of nice. Yeah, so yeah, I think this is cool. This is nice. Oh, it's an eraser tool. Oh, this is actually a button. Have to be this. Okay, or I can just do this, then just do this. Yeah, I think that's it. It's a good one, and can't wait to start arts. That's for today, and I'm super excited. I'm happy with everything that I got. The stand, oh yeah, like there's so many things, and I'm happy. Yeah, by the way, someone's happiness should not be defined by things, so I'm just happy because I got this. Super excited, can't wait to start doing art. And make sure to check on Instagram, because I'll be posting so many art right there.